Today I will be doing a tutorial on dyeing my 18, 20, and 22 inch royal bundles. First you will need a bowl, brush, your powder lightener, and a developer. It can be 30, 40, or 50. So here you'll see me getting ready to mix the powder and the developer together. Overall, you want your powder and your developer to have a pasty look like such. Now I'm going to evenly apply the lightening cream onto each bundle and closure. Notice that I am starting from the bottom and working my way towards the top. And also notice that I did not unravel my bundles. This creates less hassle when bleaching and dyeing my bundles, so I don't have to worry about my bundles being tangled during the bleaching, dyeing, or washing process. I am now going through and combing through each bundle so I can make sure I did not miss any pieces in the middle section. Now I begin to bleach my 4x4 16 inch straight closure. Not going to lie, I had a hard time bleaching the closure because I've never bleached or dyed a closure before. So any mistakes you see, just disregard. Although not included in the video, I also proceeded to go ahead and bleach my knots on the closure. I also did not record myself shampooing or conditioning the bundles and closure, but here I have pictured the shampoo and conditioner I used. Now that the bundles and closure are washed and dried, I will now proceed to dye the bundle enclosures using the water dye method. I placed boiling hot water into a bowl in the sink and proceeded to add just a little bit of each color. Overall, I used 6 bottles of dye, 3 of each color, to dye all 3 of my bundles in my closure. After mixing the dye, I will then dip each bundle into the boiling hot water. I also did the water dye method on my closure. However, I sprayed my lace with the Got2b blasting freeze spray prior to dipping it entirely into the boiling water. I did not record myself shampooing the hair, but this is the conditioner I used on each bundle. After applying the conditioner onto each bundle, I allowed the bundles to sit in a plastic bag for 10 to 15 minutes. After washing out the conditioner, I proceeded to let my bundles air dry outside. Here are the bundles after being left outside for a few hours. As you can see, they are now completely dry. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't. Now that my closure is dry, I will proceed to spray my lace with a toner. This will help my lace match my skin tone, giving it an overall natural look. Here's a better video of the color in the bundles after being dyed. Overall, I wanted them to appear dark in regular light and for the blue to just pop in the sunlight. I would like to thank you guys for tuning in to my hair dye tutorial. Overall, I am more than satisfied with the look. But please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos.